All right. This one actually came with the actual stands, but I left the power station for this device here. We're gonna need that, this one, and this one. These two. This one expands higher, and there's these levels here that you will have to put the tube wherever you want it. So right now we don't want it too high because the speaker's a little heavy. Put them here, lock it in, make sure that you don't want to make sure that everything's locked in, all right?
Yeah.
And bring that speaker. That speaker goes in here, the bottom of it, that part. Let me help you. So there's a handle. See the handle? Grab the handle.
Yeah.
All right. The bottom of it, you see that?
Yeah.
Just drop it in there. That's pretty much it.
That's it?
That's it.
What?
It's pretty stable. Oh, kind of. Make sure it's not windy. If not, open the legs more. All right. A little wobbly, but you know, underneath, it goes underneath there. All the way down. Speaker's up and running. All right. Expand the legs.
Yeah, loosen that up.
Let it drop a little bit, see? Lock it in there so it could be more stable. Now we grab the speaker. Actually, we can bring this down lower, huh? Down to the last one. Let it fall. Lock it in, and then that's enough space for the speaker. Grab it. That's better. More stable. That's more stable. Not the top, but the bottom at least.
Yeah.
All right.